So welcome to my latest video. I'm super excited about this one because I love Facebook stories and I love using them as a business tool to attract and engage and nurture my followers and my prospective clients. So what a surprise I had this morning when I went into my Facebook stories to add a story to not only my profile but my business page, to discover that there's been two fantastic new updates. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So number one, I'm actually going to show you how to add a unique clickable link to your Facebook business page stories without needing 10,000 followers. This is a massive update for Facebook story users because up until now, you could only have a unique link inside of your Facebook business page stories if you had over 10,000 followers on your page or you paid for a stories ad. However, I went into my stories this morning, clicked the normal link to do a learn more button, which is linked to my Facebook business page's website address, to discover that I had the unique clickable link area to put any link I wanted whatsoever inside my Facebook business page stories. So that means that I could actually add the link to this YouTube video inside my Facebook business page stories, and people will have the option to swipe up using the learn more button and go straight to this video on YouTube. This is going to be a game changer for business owners using Facebook business stories as a way of increasing their visibility across Facebook. So that's number one. That's the mega exciting bit. Number two is the fact that they are allowing you to use your Facebook stories, so your personal profile story, and actually cross-post that automatically to your Instagram stories. So if you have a personal profile on Instagram or you have a creator or a business profile on Instagram, you can now link your personal Facebook stories to send directly to your Instagram stories. Now, if you're in my Instagram and Facebook business stories program, you'll know that we've been using a strategy in Instagram to do our stories in Instagram first and sending them automatically to our Facebook business page stories. This is a game changer, time saver, and a really good way to up level your tech knowledge inside of your Instagram and Facebook stories. However, with this new update, Facebook is allowing you to share more personal stuff into your Instagram account as well, giving you the added benefit of adding even more content to your Instagram stories. It's an absolute game changer. I am so excited about this. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using my little mobile phone on a screen share. So before I do that, please do give me the thumbs up if you've already started to enjoy this video. And if you want to learn more about how to become a tech-savvy entrepreneur in this digital age, then do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notification of the next time I upload a new video, or to join me on my weekly Wednesday show. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook account and go to your home key. So the home key is down here on the left. This is going to bring you to your feed inside your Facebook. So as you can see from my story earlier on today, I've already posted about the fact that you can link your personal stories to your Instagram account. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So first of all, what you want to do is click that plus story option. This is going to open up your phone and it's going to give you some options to either use the photos from the camera roll, do a text update, a music update, a boomerang or a selfie or a poll, or click the camera button. But before you do that, I want you to go up to the top right hand corner and click the little cog. Okay, so this is going to control your story privacy. As you can see, anyone can see my stories. I've made my stories public because I want people to learn more about me and the business that I run. Underneath that, however, it says here other stories. So underneath it says always share to Instagram. So this is a new feature inside of your Facebook stories. So this is not your Facebook business page stories. This is the normal Facebook stories that we all know and love. So make sure that that's switched on. If you don't see that, when you first go to share, you're going to be prompted to turn it on. So go ahead and click save. Now I'm going to take a picture. So click the camera. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of me. Okay, so now I've taken a photograph of me. As you can see, it says you're sharing to Facebook and Instagram. You can change your sharing options at any time. So down here on the bottom right, you can see it says share your story to Facebook and Instagram. So you can change that by going to the privacy option in here and again going down and turning off the share to Instagram stories, or in fact for you today, you'll be turning them on. Go ahead and click save again. And then at the bottom here, it says share to story. Now, obviously you're going to add on to this. So here I'm going to say, okay, so now I'm going to change the text because I don't like that bold one. So I'm just going to make that a little text here. And then I'm going to remove the background and make it so that you can see it. Now, you can also change the orientation of your text by clicking this little option. I'm going to make it into the middle. And then you can also change the color if you want to a different color. And you have the choice of this slidey here. So go ahead and click done. And then I'm going to bring that down and I'm going to just pop it there. So super excited to be sharing this new Facebook Stories update. And then I'm going to put a little bit here that says, okay, I'm going to pop this little sticker here, which is YouTube, and I'm going to just write in here, okay, and I'm going to pop that there, and I'm going to just move that there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press share to story. And when I do that, it's automatically going to share this story, not only to my Facebook profile stories, but also my Instagram account stories. So I'm going to jump over to Instagram and I'm going to show you this story over there. First of all, let's see it inside of my Facebook account. Okay, so it's gone into my Facebook account. Let's flick through. And there's the story that I've just done live inside this video. So let's go over to my Instagram account and check it out over there. Okay, so here we are on my Instagram account. As you can see, if you want to follow me over on Instagram, please do. It's @_Anita_Wong. I am the tech queen of Instagram, Facebook, and video marketing. So go ahead and click my story icon. And I'm going to flick, and there is the story that I just posted on my Facebook profile, which has automatically showed up inside of my Instagram business page stories. So as you can see, that is a super awesome hack. Okay, so the next Facebook update is going to be a game changer for everybody who has a business on Facebook. If you've ever wanted to have people go from your story direct to an off Facebook URL, such as your YouTube video or your website or your blog or any other platform outside of Facebook, this is how you do it. So I'm going to show you my Facebook business page and the actual story on there. So to find out where this custom link option is in your stories, you do need to create a story. So go ahead and create a story by clicking the plus blue button. Go ahead and click add to story, then click the camera option. Hey, I'd love for you to check out my latest video over on my YouTube channel. Swipe up to get the link direct to my channel. So once you've recorded your video, all you have to do is scroll down the right-hand side and go to the buttons option. And then here we have add a button to your page's story so people can find out where to go. Underneath, I'm going to add my link to the custom link area at the top. So go ahead and click that link in there. Okay, add the link into your custom link area. You can click visit link to check the link works okay. Go ahead and click add, and it's going to add that link to your story. Okay, finish off your story, add your emojis, your stickers, your text, and all those sorts of things. Once you're happy, go ahead and click share to story. And that's going to add that story into your Facebook business page's story with that swipe up option. So let's just wait for that to load and I'll show you what it looks like when I jump into my other account. Okay, so here we are in my other account. Go ahead and look at your business page story. And as you can see at the bottom, I have the see more option. Go ahead and click that. And as you can see, it's opening up the page directly to my YouTube, which is where you are right now watching this video. Okay, so that clickable link inside my Facebook business page stories with a unique URL took you from my Facebook business page stories directly to my YouTube channel. Now, this link can go to absolutely anywhere you like across the whole wide world web. And it is up to you to be able to do it. So if you're not tech savvy enough to work out how to do this yourself, then please feel free to reach out to me and jump into my Instagram and Facebook Business Stories program. I will drop the link to that program underneath this video. It's an awesome 12-week work through yourself program with a weekly live Q&A with me and the other members of the group, where you will up-level your Instagram and Facebook business stories so that you can start selling on your stories and start using them strategically alongside your Facebook business account and your Instagram business account. If you've loved this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to learn more about using your Facebook stories for success, or your Instagram stories for success, then please do reach out to me either via my email or via this video. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.